On today's video, I'm going to be showing you Instagram story basics, how to create video stories, photo stories, adding caption, hashtags, GIFs, using all the stickers. So if you've not done Instagram stories or you're not sure how to do these, stay tuned. And before we dive right in, I want to give a shout out to Lisa Liv. She left a comment on one of my videos requesting that I make this exact video. So thank you, Lisa. And here you go. To create an Instagram video story, from your home page, tap on the little camera icon in the upper left, and you can see it is showing me on normal. There's other options you can use. I'm going to hold down the video and create the video button, create a short video. All right, so the app that I use to record my screen doesn't record audio, so this is just a quick test. Anyway, so if you want to add a caption or something to the video, you tap the letters on the upper right and you just type your caption, and you can then choose your font. So keep tapped on it. On the top, so this is strong. Tap it again, you get classic. Tap it again, modern, neon, typewriter, back to strong. You can then change the color. If you swipe, you get other color options. Great, so you pick the one that you like. If you wanted to change the color, you can tap on the little eyedropper and pick a color that's somewhere in the video. Then if you want to add so that there's a colored background, solid colored background, and white text, this icon in the upper left, the square, you can see it's there, or untap it. Now you can see some of the fonts don't have this. So the modern doesn't have that option, the neon doesn't have that option, but the typewriter does, and the strong does. So you can do that. Once you click done, then you can move it around, decide where you want it on the screen. If you grab it with your two fingers, you can make it bigger or smaller. And so you place it where you want to go. If you tap on that little square icon with the smile, that gives you some of the stickers. So that's where you can have a hashtag. Tap on the hashtag and you can start. So social media maven is one that I've used before, so that's why it came up really quickly. Tap done. If you tap on the hashtag, you can see it changes colors. So, pick one you like. I often do this clear one because it's not as visible. Then I shrink it down, and then you just put it where you want it to go. If you want to get rid of it, you would just drag it to that garbage can. Other stickers that you can use. Your location, that is nice. I live in Owen Sound, so I'm going to put that. And again, you can tap that to change the colors. Adding the location is nice because then you might show up in the location stories on the For You page for Instagram. If you wanted to mention somebody, so you can type in their @ handle. They will get notified. When you use this sticker and @ mention somebody, that person can share this story to their own story. So this is useful if you're doing a collaboration with somebody, or maybe you're giving a testimonial for somebody, maybe you've read their book, and you can scroll through and use any of these stickers you want. Once you've done everything that you want to add to your video clip, you can click on your story to upload it. If you just want to do it to your close friends, you can tap on that and then you're ready to go. So you don't have to record your video in the story app. If you tap on that little icon in the left, you can see your camera roll. And so I've got a video here that's 59 seconds. If I tap on that, and you can see it automatically splits it into 4 15-second-ish clips, and then you can edit them here. So if you want to add your caption and change the color, I like to do the background just because I find it's easier to read. If you want to add a hashtag and all that sort of thing, then you go to the next, add your caption for that, and keep going through all three. Maybe you're going to add a sticker, a GIF, and I'll just pick the first thing. And then once you're ready, you can click next and it will upload, and you can choose to your story or to your close friend list or send it to somebody directly. Here's how to add a photo to your Instagram stories. So click on the icon in the upper left. If you want it to be a photo of you, you can do that. But if you see on the left, you can tap on and see your camera roll and see what's there. There's a picture I took a few days ago, so you can see it pops up with the date. If you don't want the date, you can drag it and delete it, and then you can go and add your caption, and then of course add all the other stickers. So if you wanted to poll, ask a question, go, and of course you can add hashtags, whatever other stickers you want. That little squiggle icon, so if you wanted to do an arrow, drag it down and it points at whatever you want. This little little pen icon, so take whatever you want and you can do all kinds of squiggly stuff. That little sort of looks like an eraser with little dots. If you, I'll do it a different color so you can see. So it's purple. Hold it down and it covers up everything on the screen. And you're like, Andrea, why would I want to do that? Well, one of the things you can do is use this eraser tool then and just erase part of the screen. So just another interesting way to do it. Once you're done fiddling with all these, just click the check mark. And then if you're happy with everything, you've got all the captions, you've got all the hashtags and other stickers you want, then you would just tap on your story to upload it to your Instagram stories. There's a fun different type of story that you can create. So again, tap on the camera icon, and if we're in layout, so you can see across the bottom, you've got all these different options. So layout lets you have different things. So say you have okay, so here's a picture in one, then the next, pick another one. Okay, so I'll do the raccoon again. So there's one, and then I can just take a picture if I'm happy with that, do the check mark, and then it's showing, so it's got a layout of these four, and then I can add it to my story if I so choose. So there you have it, 4 simple ways to make stories on Instagram using video or photo and adding all the extra bells and whistles. But as always, don't just watch this video, go out and make a story. And if you do, tag me in it so I can check out what you have been inspired to do from watching this video. I'm Andrea Stenberg, and as always, if you enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.